चंबल कुइन बड़ा कापक देने चंबसी तमने संगे बड़ा संगते नोई चमी चंगा दु सी को जंग ले दी क्लास तो दबी दम नोई चंग मसंग चंग ये दम लोय करनी तम जैन तो नहीं था पुंग मखाई दी चप चाना हो सिको
Wait, sir.
चंग मंगाई में दा चंग बसु कुइन तंग चंग दी मी कुंठा चंग बदा मिनी तरा चंग दी नोई क्लास रोल नंबर तो बजा यू को
Wait, sir.
ngarang doubling chat pas yawi anagi restaurant noi number kano roll number yaudu yawi tongana khoi khangna khoi pika kramatung da resta pika kramatung da kona chanbra business to is in Myanmar ta de moi pang chan chan parkha tham da bo ming jan beloi de
Sir, kenum ta hang sir. Identity card ta oi ba kano row number do. Aduga class ta ko budi mana de ba do class ta dum ko bu o to na.
noi class ki roll number du ne noi ID de yaw do adu ne
ID du ga mana di sir.
noi class tu ga ID ki du oi ta ID di chim ta re na adu di
Adu di mi ki khume adu di ngarang du.
adu oh nang kan adu noi sum thau da na adu sum thau ta noi lan bo election na election ne noi kamai to ge
Identity card ki dum oi ba. Adu class ki du khumi du di ama ai ga thang nu pa da dum oi ta re du dia.
không được adu kan tu do ai khoi gyan ta de khoi khong ma jana de adu noi na sa ID da pi du di na adu da ming le mani adu
That's my to when education ki class the role amam hengat bane ba. Education khata ge.
Mas jalam ta da du di khang de ai attendance na amana pan amana ka amana class jaw tau jaram ni ai khang de khoi di le ri na ira ko
Ka ge chango.
ai di amma makai ta ba go siko ta si attendance da military chakra ni
No. Ni game set.
So 46 loire ne 46 na lo do pone dang rang 45 48 la du su kum tawi 48 la 49 la du su man chang jara ni sa course uraba semua khandin basidi
ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯦꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯟꯗꯤꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯁꯤꯔꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣ
ngarang relationship between psychology and education bak ta ure ko ngasigi yango aduna psychology ki many branches like ko psychology has different many branches kari kari no haraga say educational psychology se have chu psychology ki branch amani ko many like abnormal psychology clinical psychology noi kanu to mutu thamoko clinical psychology child psychology ga hena mayam branch mayam lay branch mayam dugi manung da educational psychology su amani ana psychology ngasai mari leina education amani leina bani education salam da som da lakpa branch now what is educational psychology explain the scope of educational psychology psychology tamder si educational psychology ni tamil si aduna ahambada psychology ga education ga mari leina ba psychology khangda ba yadda ba education ga psychology ga mari leina du khangda ba yadda ba ki ta haram bani hoji pandar si matang da lakto se educational psychology duni what is educational psychology explain the scope of educational psychology ma scope si kai bono kari no habdu yang si educational psychology is the process is the application of psychological findings in the field of education ai ngarang kari hai no koida psychology na tori bisi kai no magi kaino duni behavior to my study to bani study to matam da finding ma fangani fangoidra result lama study to matam da hai phangiba finding result to madu education ki field is apply to chimane education na phangai ba finding ki matungina say suppose how you kana class anga amagi noi muthamo anga ama aikoi na ma si like tambi ga knowledge aikoi na education si pi ga dawre adoi tadi magi heredity karam tawi magi physical adagi magi intelligence kam tawi karam tawi personality karam mai lei aptitude motivation karam mai lei magi memory kam wangi hai ba punam se loi na hana thira ga ma di chap chawa ma na hena pamjaba magi kaino si motivation si kari dane hena lei hai bagi sigum bagi poto hana thido matung da madu gi apply toroga madu khanga matung da like tambira gadi kaino gang ponga da
tv wai ko madu ga rosni noi muthambio
aduna kano tawe aduna adhai me am de study tor matung da ngang madu mai pagi mai IQ kyang wangi mai personality kyang wangi ga habi phajana ko ne study tor matung da magi mango da chana knowledge education do pira gadi hena phabo ini natra yaning bra sumaina lebani na adugi damakta madugi ngasagi educational psychology na torishna ka dore ngasai education psychology na pangai ba findings mayam do madubu education da applies to madubu kai kawi educational psychology kawi aiba yareko educational psychology is the systematic study of the development of the individual within the educational settings magi educational settings the educational is the magi individual kana kumba individual mabu magi systematically magi individual magi develop tore isi matung ina magi development dugi matung ina individual du madu chana education pe budune educational psychology systematic study to budune yarba na magi matam dugi se ko gi psychology kaino da human stage kari lei infancy childhood adolescence adulthood kan lei dana magi stage gi matung ina matam dugi chana education system na study to budune ma development stage dugi matung ina adugi matung ina education pi buduni ana it helps the teacher masina educational psychology habisina oja singa ya mateng pangi natraga mabu mi amabu tapiri ba oja du haitare mi amabu littori ba mi du adu haitare ko gi lai khakta nate gan senior amana hana khamani mana any knowledge am tapu madugi tai ba mi du adu da it helps the teacher to foster education hapa ko harmonious development of the student amagi satra amagi oja singna di satra amagi magi hek development dugi matam duga chanaba development duga chanaba sarasing dugi development chanaba magi pura mo happy responsible kan mo kali orang na ba kay daw again hey mo
What I want to love Ulay Mali.
aduna oda singda psychology sine educational psychology sine amateng pangi kaida mateng pangno foster harmonious development mapung phana physically mentally intellectually emotionally ola mapung phana mi da mapung phaba development to ngamali satra sida into a responsible and a participating citizen responsible citizen am oino hono mapung phaba mi am oino hono bada haiba kano makai sida harmonious development mateng pang to mateng pangi haiba harmonious development haiba kai kai yaure koida physically, mentally, spiritually, socially, kuna maksya sida ako hingba da sangba ako character kuri maksida mapung phaba citizen oibang ngambali ana a sensitive and a reflective human being am sensitive oiba human being am oibang ngamali and a productive and a creative person am productive oiba the creative person am oibang ngamali ko have education psychology sina sigi matena wajamna lai kana ga senior amana makha thaba amabu ko natraga wajamna satra amabu sumaina ngamali educational psychology is an applied discipline imase educational psychology have the applied psychology ni ko psychology applied to semani ako psychology have education have ani se tongan ba discipline ani tongan baneba aduna educational psychology have city psychology education applied to semani applied psychology, applied discipline, which combines the two different fields of education and psychology. Psychology amadi education ani se punsil laga atopa education and psychology haina to laga amadi mo apply toxin bane atopa discipline amada. And it is the scientific study of human behavior. And psychology, educational psychology have the new behavior sibu that yam scientific oina mo badin sumna study to bani by which it can be understood. Mamota na por mamota na khangna na ba predicted and directed by education to achieve goals of life. Magi masagi goals of life to madu mapung phana phangwang amhan ba upan ba adai lambi sida chakadami haina takada ba adu mo pas amne ba human behavior nai na pas amne ba sai educational psychology habsi yare ko aduna describe the way did I see scientist samani American scientist ni mana just describe the way educational psychology is. Educational psychology have this a scientific study of the life stage. I call it life stage in higher by infancy, childhood, adolescence, adulthood, higher stage. Yeah, masi my matam dugi stage duda. Pagi sana ba. Study tawani scientific study tawani in the development of an individual from the time he is born from the time he is born man have popadagin the man ahal pawi magi matam stage bu adu pung phana study tawaga na badu educational psychology kawi han jit hai yare ko gyan tari bro
tayo ja
bidia thoya gyan tari bro bidia thoji munne yang bidia thoji munne yang seludana muthakre ne Next, scope of educational psychology. The educational psychology belongs to the group of applied psychology. Applied psychology, clinical psychology, abnormal psychology, child psychology. The educational psychology so amani applied psychology group to amani. It applies general psychology. Applies to educational psychology, applies to psychology to the problem of education. Yarba, can I go? education की problem से asida psychology से apply doctrine बना ko education ने तंबी तो अंगांग सी लाइ सी कर माइ तंबा अंगांग सी करम अंगांग नो कर माइ line चट का फनी है बसी education से पीना होनर को मतम सीदा चट का कर education पीनी है बकी अंगांग दो दगी खंगदोक पदो मद psychology ना खंगदोक कने है gan tai ko aduna kedore it applies general psychology say apply to to the problem of education da education ki problem da education psychology apply to the education psychology ko it describes and explains the learning experience of an individual from the birth through the old age. Education psychology na angang magi help putting the old age or about the magi learning experience me anche pull up dai sina education psychology have sina. Its scope covers all the situations that are related to learning. Arna education psychology scope CD kaino heck learning have a process any tamchin tamba have process ga madi le nam kai loin chala anung chala ko education psychology scope si aduna education psychology is an applied science higher kana jai it seeks machine tijili it seeks education psychology na tijili to explain tongna ba the facts concerning human behavior miyoi bagi lamcha chaja behavior se asi naina magi fact mayam chin naina na bhona ba machine kana tijili education psychology na tijili human behavior scientifically for doing so it utilizes the scientifically obtained data from the branches of knowledge from other branches of knowledge like sociology, medicine, and anthropology, etc. Arna akoina sociology society is even like branch say the komopa data say akoina mi tijilba sagi psychology na tijilba say data say sinaraga pangapa data akoina higher education system thus the scope of education psychology broadly limited to my education psychology magi limiti the explanation of the conditions of learning in a scientific and a systematic way. Karamba mongda angang sia karamba bamda karamba mongda karamba method da angang si lai tam karamba scientific or method da lai si tam bigani habisi asi tai mana education psychology na. Next, the explanation of human behavior in different situations scientifically. Different situations having a situation mayam like enough machine light of young intelligent or young they had a dull which in bangang young ko are smile her my bangang young show I do mayam just carmine magi behavior do come the scientifically magic on the can't get again. Next, as far as the explanation of the conditions of learning is concerned, education psychology tries to discover education psychology na pada pangriba point ani asigi matungina education psychology na puthong na ba discover tongna na ba try hona isi kaino the extent to which the foster of heredity and the environment influence the learning process. Kaya na heredity and the environment na learning process da kaya na influence people get learning process da kaya na influence piga say suppose akoy yang asi akoy gi heredity have sidi kay no mama pa gi zindagi yor ka doini ko zindagi yor ka na mama pa lai kitang tak pa de kay gumba lai ki wad na te kay gumba sura su hekta thodo hendo na khai hena haigan ba sugan ba tongwa ko ya bra tenai ko sigumba my heredity IQ name jaba heredity de la ko sumai mayam lay then ada si asi masina kaya influence to have sina ko learning process na ko amdong ta ko khang bangang sulai ta na khandra di khang da bangang sulai sumai na ma ada suma se moi mama pa dil kamai to igai na ko ismail moi mama pa lai moi diri yam pabani sumain to buni adu ta ma pani ga na haine si sumain heredity ni just environment mathang da environment jang si like phana brain pasino phana muk ta pu da khang sino phana kano to sino to ma gi lei be environment du phatra ga ya ba ko arna environment si yamar o arna yam na environment heredity and environment sina ko learning process da influence of ga have sin na baduni. Number 2 the nature theories and methods of learning si tang thai ko lai se kuina tak to or ma ne tin kang ni ana karamba mong da karamba theory karamba method sinarga angang sing sida hena khangani haibagi aduguma naina badu educational psychology na tawi. Next the relationship between the maturational level I see the aina jara ki korpani ko nai khangra kon no to kon piraka ko adu noi loke sidum loke sukai de the relationship between the maturational level and learning readiness. Class 3 tangmata wanga amada class 6 ke 7 ni like takchila di ma mature chana roi natra aduna maga chana level karamba mogi stage da leba ngana karamba like takani have educational psychology na tawi ma maturational level si yangi and adu matam da adagi magi matam chana magi stage kanogi development stage magi angang du ki magi individual du ki magi stage du ki matungina like I coin market knowledge hapchilagadi hena readiness readiness I khongjen yangchila boduni ko khangadi mathang makang kha tawni ai aina habdu he noida mamang he hai bungo puzzle habisi ki meaning si kari hai habda puzzle habsi angang du khangdraba meaning do muidraga laigibada bungo nang puzzle oire haibo gyan tandi habsi ko puzzle ai di chamam na bani chamam na lei de haibo gyan tandi haibo lei ko sumaina ana chamam na dum lei kita ba adu magi stage ga chap chana ba aduna ya khoi na ang class 5 da chai manga de ang lai taman ga dam ne adu ton ga dam ne to ba mayam si aduna ka dore aduna ka dore ga magi chana lei ba stage du ki matungi na magi ka no se magi curriculum dis pi ga dam ne hai ba ana the relationship between the maturational level and the learning readiness maturational level du ga chana ba education pi ga dam ne. Number 4 the educational significance of individual differences in rate and the limitation of learning. Individual difference level ki matungi na magi learning significance ma ham daini individual du ki matungi na how you need no education kra hai ko kamuna education lauri lai kra hai ko kamuna hai ta ba kamuna kano gumba political science ko login na tra no political science lo education lo di ai hai ta block oile ko aduna samaina political science di wala main ta di noi na kam hai na sa to la aduna samaina ana individual sindu ki moi difference level du ki matungina magi na kram mong like system bi ba masi da magi mai level sida kramani like tam have samaina to significant educational significance of individual differences is rate and the limitation of learning madu ki matungina ko lepkani adu magi limitation of learning si ayani aduna ahan sing na kara pamaka like sida kara sonjila pakam nang like na sara ro si thabak ki ma somda chatlo ga na tawnai sai si sa da adu psychology makhalam ni ahan sing ki thaina li. Next the inner changes occur during learning. Inner changes nungda akoi mi du ki awan bala ko ko adu kayam olai ma se akoi na PG level tai ben knowledge PG level knowledge me am sida ma ona kayam na hong balai ga hai na masing mase asi educational psychology na yengi adu hong wadi matungi na hong tra ga dum hanjin tak lai tare ko smaina. Next the relation to teaching techniques with the results of learning. Asai gi akoi na noi tam aikoi na tapiri sida noi gi test oraga maduda aikoi na noi gi test result gi matung as aina types da noi na mark aina hangi ba question sing da noi na mark to phajana phangne phajana ire tatra noi na phajana explanation to tore aina hangi ba question gi mati noi na su phajana kumai roi tar de ain types ya just good si phadi the sigi level si loi tar angang sing si khangani haigani aina tai si loiraga aina test to matam sida noina pakhum phajana piba ngamanu adoi tardi kaidore aina tai ba method se soire adoi da to method mo hung ko tai haidugi arna kaidore the relation to teaching techniques with the results of learning objection ni noi oja swasta ngani oja even loin ta ngani swasta ngani bom cha ta ngani adai english noi lowa sajama khai ta ngani ta pe method adoi khena ba jing noi adum khang ngani natra adui ta adui haidi noi da nuai ba nuai to ba do loksin ba hena nuai ba nuai to le rang ngani adu ni adui matung na sayang adu on thon jin to go ba di yang do next the most effective method for the assessment of learning angang sing ja karam khwai de moi gi karai bo khang ye ha sa asi yang ge ha di kram ai mong to ga yang ani se essay type ti yang ge ra objective type ti yang ge ra multiple choice to ga yang ge ra hai ba sigum learning assessment method cha asi masi educational psychology na le pya su ko asi clear ka da bani next comparative study of the effects of the informal education and the formal learning experiences on the mental development of the child aruna ai informal running time 10 meeting and a minute da nga aruna kai dore ai na ato pa formal education na school college tai ba sinatawa asi formal education siga asiga adugi akoi atopa tongan ba informal agency no hana thena ba khangra ba tangai ko akoi tongan site gi pangi ba radio dagi magazine dagi tv dagi kede pangi ba knowledge me ansiga ani se compare to wadam ne ko akoi tai siga se suppose akoi aina sita puda noi ke dore ai jo atopa knowledge me ama yeng khang da ba ya aduga compare to ga ta ka do hauji mi somna advance bari do oi gra khona hana thaina gi ari ba jo to di le ya ra adu ani si compare to na sata sing gi mental development gi damang ta ai khoina kai dore informal education ada formal learning experience ga ada atomen masi mayam se ani se comparison to go dabani sin next number 9 the psychological impact of sociological conditions on the attitude of learner aduna kai dore masai gi environment apabada labo kangu do aduna kai dore apabada leba noina kai dore masi class yauri environment phataba leba kangu na class yawning da thido lei sini noi chonga leba da masi noi ni fu taru tai lei se smai environment sociological condition ne si suppose atopa amana sometimes say smartphone pai da ba yaram ba si ai ada even smartphone pai ren khala adu hu laptop tor ga nama phami ba noi di hena mo ai sidagi moi mobile am da yeng di dagi henang parangani nungarangani natra hena talno sigumba level asi psychological impact of asi the masada ai in class yori si laptop am da ba tor yori si pon ma cha si da yeng yori si laptop tor yeng yori da ga hai da noi khalong ngani ha psychological impact ni ado asumba hena ada asumba mayam lai se asumba si su ai education psychology na nei ne you lawyer ra sat aduna as far as the explanation of human behavior is concerned educational psychology tries to explain the why when how of human behaviors da ahum sin nei amalo ina nei educational psychology nei se mi behavior da why when how have a question on si nei it explains how the physical structure of human body acts as an instrument of human behavior aduna ai mioi bagi kai da kramai to ai mioi bagi behaviors masage no ai behaviors physically machine lama dong na kramai to ai physically kamai to rai no see why yarba kamai to rai no how explain how the physical structure of human body acts human body is acts kamai to rai suppose ai saw ka na mi nang saw ami amaga noi ma kai si saw boy attitude manaroi mo manaroi managa ja adu mai tongan ba behavior ne ko sigum si ada physical structure to thola bu mana de and the physical structure of human body acts as an instrument of human behavior ana karmai to human behavior sida ai khoi gi hakchang sina karmai to instrument amoi na mai karmai uthola bu ge nei si and the role of play by sense organs sense organ sin ai ko kamai moi gi role si kam chaw gi kamai to ge sin sense organ sin si ki sa kana gum na hai ni ato glam nam si hai ni ko no na ton sin nam nam as ka ato gla de kai de na thamana le haw na heli gai na sometimes kana gum na hai ni ko na kana uthola pa du khena ba adagi se manam pa nung sibam to ga number da nang na uthola pa mo nan thi bam number da uthola pa mo khena ni da na ko sigum ba si ana si na the role played by sensory organs and na asina ta sunga mi sense organ manga le do ko khoi na to pa mo si the how a human child behave at different stages of development angang sing china angang mi amana ma different stages angang o child infancy we ngai da childhood or matam da adolescence or matam da adult or matam sina mi amana kramai da mai mo ma to si kramai thoi ko how a human child behave at different stages of development ma different stages da kramai na kramai uli I behave to ma behave to kramai to we have said nai and the social adjustment noi jo ji mi manga tinna ba ya do mi ma yang ngani tinna mi ekta amna no psychology da ne 6th semester tam gani kwai de mi tinna ba ya ji kana no ga na experiment to do no education honors try ya di lower di khangani ko kwai de han popular ji kana no ga mi am tinna ba ya ji even election story ni ko sumaina as a social adjustment si yangi thus last thus the scope of education psychology covers all kinds of conditions and factors affecting the learning process. And education psychology na cover and everything. Learning process ga hack mari laina singja loin cover teaching learning ga hack mari laina singsi loin cover education psychology na my scopes cover and all aspects of education and practice and the development of human behavior human behavior development or develop tor ko se asiga mari le nam loy manung chala education psychology da my scope da yare ko aduna
thank you sir
welcome yare noi kano do tharo attendance
Thank you, sir.
matam ji khar sanga di nuai dong ni
Thank you, sir.
Koi attendance to ming noi tawra de
ming da to ya roi ming da to di kai da khang doi ba khoi di noi di khoi sidan khoi da di noi ro na kan list ka tan lai ming list lai
roll number
sa ki ro number khang dra bo id di pai dro
Roll number
id pai dro
ID
pai
dro.
ro number
sir
ka
kino college ki ID ga adagi register labor roll number ga mana da ba education subject ki do
khang de iro na sa ma khai yare
First year ID ka manab de.
iro na sa ma khai iro hai ya iro adu na le lo je ran
Sir, roll number this freedom no left to so yam always adu last to in low sir. Mayor Chanbaganda of first attendance daw siya ba adu piba horga attendance piram loin chat leba
khoi di last de loy rabni ba loy la kan ne lo ri se ai class ngasi loy sir
mayam leba roll number piram daga left adum tawai ba sir adu di yar de ko left tawgin
to ro ne am to yaw ra khoi to wa ri ban to lo ji pri da cha ge ne ok ta
la free am pa mu da
noi cha to khra de kai no adu wa hai na dong la de ai nang de tang ta ba nang ba sa wa ji na kang ban cha ning cha ge cha to cha na khoi kai am khang ge
da lao do ko yaw bi rồi đấy
ai em honors lo
Ôi tung ni mong mày tung ra ni yong ning ba ko yaw rồi đấy kino.
yaw do ko ya
moi su pi ni moi su student ni
Moi ba ma tung
da
ra.
da
sir do class ta to bar do kano adu dum ido ira
I got yaw bodo ni ro
I card ki ID ki I card number do ini
election dire tha dro mani
ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ID ꯀꯥꯔꯗꯀꯤ ꯔꯣꯜ ꯅꯝꯕꯔꯗꯣ ꯏꯌꯨ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ?
ꯆꯥꯔꯠꯇꯨ ꯏꯕ ꯂꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯁꯠ ꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯤꯜꯂꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯧꯏ
ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯗꯤ
ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯤꯜꯂꯦꯕ ꯇꯥꯂꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯗꯥꯏ
IDꯒꯤꯗ ꯈꯨꯝꯗꯣꯏꯔꯗꯤ ꯔꯣꯗꯣ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯦ. ꯀꯃꯥꯏ ꯁꯦꯝꯗꯣꯛꯇꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ?
ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯤꯛꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯣ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯗꯦ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯀꯔꯝꯕꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯊꯕꯛꯅꯤ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯀ ꯀꯣꯟꯅ ꯂꯥꯎꯅꯖꯔꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ.
ꯏꯁ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯍꯪꯉꯣ.
ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯃꯦꯟꯗꯣ ꯔꯣꯜꯗꯣ ꯃꯥꯟꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯟꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯩ ꯃꯥꯟꯗꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯦꯕ ꯁꯤ IDꯒꯤ ꯔꯣꯜꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ID ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ.
ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯦ.
ꯌꯥꯔꯦ